All right, putting it to rest, guys. There's a lot of BS out there about 3D printed shells won't last long, they last one time, blah, blah, blah. Well, yeah, that could happen. They could last one time, or they could be reloaded several. Just depends on how much powder you put in there. And you don't need a huge charge. So, all right, these three right here, it's hard to see the one on here. Where is it at? It's right there. These are the Cobra Safe line. They all have had one load through them. I've washed them and cleaned them, and they are perfectly fine inside. There's no damage to them. They all were loaded with 50 grains of pyrodex 777. As you can see, that's clean, not cracked. They're still, I'm pushing on them, they're still in good shape. Same. A little harder to see the black one, but yeah. All right, so that's the Cobra Safe. These are the standard Dixie Thumper powder cup shells. Same thing. You can look over here, you can see cleaned out. This one has 2 reloadings already. This one has 3, and it's still in great shape. Nothing's busting loose. The rims are still intact. This one also has 3, going on number 4. Same thing, everything's in good shape. Number 4, this one has 3 loadings, so this will be number 4 when I load it up again. All in good shape. So, you can buy aluminum shells. Yeah, they'll last a long time. A lot longer than these for sure, but you spend $1 on these. This one now is about 33 cents a load. This one here, 33 cents. This is at 50 cents a load, 33 cents. These are the only shells that when you shoot them and reload them, they'll continue to get cheaper as you shoot them, because that $1 is spreading out over the number of times that you're shooting these or reloading these, okay? And when they do finally crack, you just throw them away. It's not a big deal. When an aluminum one cracks, you're gonna cry about it and then have to throw it away anyway. And they will crack, that happens. Anyway, just wanted to throw a little quick, short up here talking about these shells. They work pretty good. And they work real well with the projectiles too. Fit nice and tight. So all these are on eBay. These are on eBay. The whole completed rounds of the Cobra Safe are on eBay, and they will work with all launchers. These will not work with a Cobra launcher. They'll work with everything else though, pretty much. I haven't run into anything they won't work with other than the Cobra. Have a good one.